I wish I could go back to the past. I wish I had the time to rewind. Maybe it's time to strive till the end. Right now I gotta live beforehand. I wish I could go back to the past. I wish I had the time to rewind. Maybe it's time to strive till the end. Right now I gotta live beforehand.
Yeah, back to the time when I was a kid. I'm going to school, I'm happy with it. My life tragedy, everybody see. Trying bad, best on society. When I'm high school, I break some rule. First for me, I think I join festival. We fight one another, decide to kill him. Think twice, I realize it's not a good things. Do myself a question, what am I planning? No need to mention all about my feelings. Thinking of perfection, that's why I'm preparing. Make my lyric come true, that's why I'm believing. Yeah, doing this for fam and friend. I met a girl so like best friend. What's supposed to do, cause I want to talk it again. Cause all she do me was my mind staying
Back in the day I hit rap music, but as time passed I start to love it. Cause I feel the beats and I pray to God to help me get it. As long as we live in this world, we should remember God, rest on. Remember that every time when I got a problem, asking God to solve them, that's real.
I wish I could go back to the past. I wish I had the time to rewind. Maybe it's time to strive till the end. Right now I gotta live beforehand. I wish I could go back to the past. I wish I had the time to rewind. Maybe it's time to strive till the end. Right now I gotta live beforehand.
I live like almost a half life, I felt like this the beginning. Everybody here trying to make a living, everybody there trying to make a living. But be careful when you make decisions, it gonna lead us home, it gonna lead us to the jungles. Being broke, making being humble. Now being humble, haven't reached the greatness. Now I know God gave me this gift, and I know that I need it, and yeah I'm loving it. All I gotta do is use by His improvement. Seek God, seek heaven first, and everything's gonna give to you more than yours. 7 gods by 7 other people. Know Him, get wisdom, fight the evil, stop the banful. Never let the war occupy you, own you.
All thing that I've gone through. What's the one thing to get to know you better and better? But I'm still moving farther and farther from you. So wake up in the morning, think about my purpose instead putting you first. But another thing come first while putting you last. Maybe that's why I blast. All I need my dream to break through. All I need my praise to reach you.
I wish I could go back to the past. I wish I had the time to rewind. Maybe it's time to strive till the end. Right now I gotta live beforehand. I wish I could go back to the past. I wish I had the time to rewind.